How to install the doll head. Align threads. Slowly rotate the screw rod clockwise into the screw groove at the base of the doll's head. Hold the threaded slot at the top of the neck, ensuring proper thread engagement. Fix the head. Firmly hold the doll's head. Align the screw rod completely with the neck interface. And apply gentle pressure until fully seated. Check stability. Gently sway the head, left and right to check for looseness or abnormal movement, ensuring a secure connection. Screw insertion. Fully screw the threaded rod into the neck slot by rotating it clockwise until it reaches the bottom. Hold the head with both hands, tilted at a 45 angle to align the bolt socket at the base with the screw. Slowly rotate the head clockwise, pausing every 180 to check alignment. Stop immediately when natural resistance is felt. Final check. Gently wiggle the head to ensure no wobbling or unusual noises. Note: a precision hex key is included in the accessory bar. For adjusting the tightness of the push-fit adapter screw, follow these steps. 1. Observe the adapter's side clamps. If mostly protruded, the connection is good. If full retraction into the holes indicates an anomaly. 2. Insert the hex key vertically into both adjustment holes and rotate clockwise until the clips are mostly protruded, ensuring a stable head fixation.